Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Salesforce affiliate links for sales tools referrals, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Salesforce affiliate links for sales tools referrals, begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the App Exchange by clicking on the App Launcher icon located in the top left corner of your screen. In the App Exchange search bar, type Sales Tool Affiliates and press Enter. Select the appropriate affiliate program from the list of options displayed. Once on the Programs page, locate the Get It Now button and click it. Follow the prompts to install the app into your Salesforce instance. After installation, return to your Salesforce dashboard. Find the Affiliate Management section in the main menu. Click on Create New Affiliate Link. You will be prompted to enter the target URL for the sales tools you wish to promote. Ensure the URL is correct and leads to the intended sales tool page. Next, set the parameters for your affiliate link, including commission rates and expiration dates if applicable. Once all settings are adjusted, click on Generate Link. Your new affiliate link will now be created and displayed on the screen. Copy the link and keep it in a safe place for your marketing efforts. Now, navigate to your Salesforce Reports section to track clicks and conversions. Regularly review your performance metrics to optimize your affiliate marketing strategy. Finally, share your affiliate link through your chosen marketing channels to start generating referrals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.